Welcome to John's Workshop Diary. Right, today in the workshop we're carrying on with this seat for the van. In the last video I extended the base of the seat. Since then I've put a raised piece in the back, and then I've covered it all in this van carpet. So today we're working on the seat part, which we've got to make. So we'll get on with that. Right, for the first layer of the seat I'm going to use some of this rubber foam matting, which I've just laid down. I've squared off the edges around the sides with the bandsaw just to cut off then these little castle pieces. Right, so we're going to just pop that up there, put a bit of spray glue down, or spray adhesive. Drop that back down. Make sure we get it in the right place. Right. Put a few staples in the centres just to make sure they don't go anywhere. That. And for the second layer I've got some foam, which I've also cut down on the bandsaw. Mark that up. Over there, right. Put some more spray on. Right, that's that bit all glued down. Right, now I'm going to put some old offcuts that I've got out of an old sofa, which I'm going to build up a front piece here now. So I'm going to start gluing these down. I'll use this to cover it first. If I glue that on there, I should cover up all the trim down these edges. I put these bits over the top and the front. I'll just staple these down. Do that. Well, that's that all done. All we've got to do now is get the material to go on top. Right, I've just filled in some of these little gaps here with this cover piece. I've got my top bit, which is going to go on here. I think I'll staple at the back, I think, first. Sort of square. Let me overlap. Right. Staple it on the edge. Try and keep it square all the way along. Now I've got it fastened to the back, I think I'm going to try and glue it all down now. A bit of weight on there. Hopefully that'll stick nicely there. We'll leave that to set for a bit now, and then we'll start fastening it, stapling it down. I left it overnight to dry, so now I'm going to try and see if we can pull it all down and staple it. That's the basic seat done there. Right, that's all ready now to go back in the van, so we'll go and get on with that. And then we've got to paint the back. Right, that's the seat base all done. Put a couple of blocks under there just to stop it sliding out. Right, so we'll go and make the back now. So I'm just finishing off the seat back. I'm just going to cover that. I've put an angle bit on the back so it leans a bit. So I'm just going to get this covered. Some material. Right size. Put some glue down. I'm just going to cover that. Some small staples in here so it can go right through. Can do, just put a bit of glue down the inside. Just hold that down. This part ain't going to be seen, it's going to be hidden behind there. So. And we'll just screw that down. And that's the seat back done. Right, go and get that in the van now. Right, that's all the seat finished. All it fits in there nicely now. Looks okay, I think. Right, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.